Today's date, today's topic name is the hash table in Java. Uh, the hash table class implement map a key to the value. Any any non-numbers object can be used as the key or is the value. To successfully the store and retrieve object. From of the hash table, the object used as the key must implement the hash code method and the equal methods. Uh, the Java util the class is in the Java that provide a key value data. The structure, the similar to the map, the interface. It was the part of the original Java collection, the collection framework, and the introductor in Java. One the hash table has been uh, the house house, and it is generally uh, dis, uh, this is the because was generated the fear of the introductions of the uh, collections collection framework and do not implement the map hash interface, uh, which make which make a different to the use the conjunction uh, with the other part of the framework. Uh, in the additional, the hash table class is the synchronized, which can be result in the slower performance the compared to other implementations of the map interface. In general, it is recommended uh, to use the map interface or one of the its implementations, such as the hash table or the constructor hash map, the considered of the hash table class. Value value of a, one, key one, key a value one, the key c value three. In conclusion, uh, while in the hash table class the still exists in the Java and uh, can be still be used, it's generally recommended to use to map interface of one of its implementation the inside picture of the hash table. uh, it is the similar to hash table, but it is the synchronized. The hash table store the q value here in the hash table. The hash table will be the specified and object that are the use of the of a key and the value we we want to the to the key. The key is the then the hash shared and the uh, resonating the hash code is the use of the index at which is the value is the stored within a table. The uh, in the default capacity of the hash table the class is the relevant, whether the load factors is the 0.75. Hash table doesn't private any implementations. The while the hash table the provide not fail fast, the immunizations, distributions, the public class the hash table, uh, the then the uh, key minimi, manipulated by this the map. We the type of the method value of the hash table. Hash. Thank you for this listening.